Hi, I'm for the Paul Sequera, a priest. It is a very meaningful course, helps us in our development. I really loved this course because I myself had a lot of emotional and psychological problems which were disturbing me. I was a principal in a college. I was a parish priest. I had a not good childhood, and it had a lot of repercussions in my life. There was not enough attention, rather love, motivation. All those things has affected me. I had some problems, so like anger. Once I had met with an accident, and it was rather fatal. But I had a lot of shock because of that, and I had nightmares at night, and I had disturbed sleep that affected me, my work. Even at night, I was really disturbed with the switches. All the time, I was switching on and off, switching on and off. So, after coming here, the blocks were removed, and the energy level was increased, and as a result, my whole personality was boosted. I was much more relieved. I have become a transformed personality. I am very happy about this course and very happy what Abhay is doing. He is a wonderful guy, young, energetic, and he takes care of individually. And I am very happy with him and the course. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.